Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy with watermelon. Start by pureeing fresh watermelon, strain the juice, and measure it precisely. Bloom gelatin in a small amount of cold water while you warm the juice with sugar and lemon. Whisk melted gelatin into warm juice, pour into molds, and chill until set. Use silicone molds for easy removal and store gummies in an airtight container for best texture. Measure ingredients before use start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Puree watermelon and strain to remove pulp and seeds so gummies are smooth. Bloom gelatin in cold water while warming juice with sweetener and a splash of lemon to brighten flavor. Combine gelatin with warm juice off the heat, pour into molds, and refrigerate until fully set. Store chilled to keep the texture perfect. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and hit like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker fills your kitchen with cheerful music while you make gummies, and it makes timers and voice controls simple and fun. I use it to set a 10-minute chill timer and stay hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly once gelatin is melted because it sets as it cools, and you want even layers. Warm the juice gently and stir until gelatin fully dissolves, avoiding high heat that harms texture. Pour into your chosen molds, tapping gently to release air bubbles and smooth surfaces. Let sit at room temperature briefly before chilling so centers finish uniformly. Unmold carefully and keep gummies in an airtight container for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.